everyone, welcome back to my channel Work It Out. This is me Kritika Khatani. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing 5 very simple exercises that would help you in toning your calves and also helping you lose the calves fat. So yes, without any further ado, let's work it out. Also, make sure that you do 2 sets of 10 each of all these exercises every day, and trust me, you're super duper good to go. So yes, let's get into the video. So let's begin with the number 1 exercise. For this, just turn to your side straight. Now first we start with the right leg. Now for all the exercises, keep this in mind that your toes should point towards you, should point your eyes like this. Your hands on the waist. Now slowly, without touching the ground, bring them up, down, up, down, up. The stretch should be felt in your calves area over here. 8, 9, 10. We begin with the second exercise, right leg. Now we will just move our leg a little higher than before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now we begin with the left leg. Same way, your toes pointing you. Heels should not touch the ground. We begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We move a little higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. This is very important when you're doing these exercises. Make sure that the stretch and the pressure is felt over here. Okay, that is the most important part of all the exercises, which is why I am telling you your toes should be pointing you. Okay. Now we begin with the third exercise. For this, we start with the right leg first. Now move your toes clockwise and anti-clockwise for 10 times. Now over here also, when you're moving, stretch as much as possible when the toes are in this direction. 2, 3, slowly, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and begin with the fourth exercise. For this again, we are going to be doing side squat, but let me show you how. When you go to your right, okay, your left leg and left toe should be pointing you, okay, your eyes, and the stretch should be felt over here in your calves area, okay. So when you go to your right, bring your toes up and your leg like this, 1. Similarly with the right leg, toe up, stretch should be felt over here, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10 and 10. Relax. Let's begin with the fifth exercise. For this, you need to stretch both your legs only once for 15 to 20 seconds each leg. Let's begin like this. So when you are putting your left leg straight on the ground, stretch again will be felt over here. Your toes pointing you, and slowly try touching your toes. अगर नहीं टच हो रहा है, that is fine. जितना you are able to go down, just make sure you just stretch for 10 to 15 seconds. Stretch should be felt here. Relax. Now we begin with the right leg again. It's okay अगर toes touch नहीं हो रहे हैं हाथ से, जितना you can go down, just go down. Relax. That is it. Just follow all these exercises and trust me, you're super good to go. So this was it for the video. I really hope you found the video and the exercises useful. I really hope you give all these exercises a try. They are very simple exercises. You all can do these exercises. So please do give it a try and also share the video if you like it. That would mean a lot. So yes, this was it for the video. If you like the video, do hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to the channel as well. Also press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And follow Work It Out on Instagram for more regular updates. I am adding a link to the same in the description box below. So yes, do follow me over there and I will be back super soon with a new video. Until next time, stay happy. Bye.